Hello again. Headed out to the truck. I want to show you. Oops, sorry. I wanted to show you what I got. I have been, sorry, holding stuff in every hand makes it hard. I have been wanting to do, hang on while I get in here. I've been wanting to do live videos while I travel, and just didn't have the right setup for my phone. So, good old Amazon. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it hooks into the vent. Anyway, good old Amazon to the rescue. And I forgot my phone. But anyway, you'll get the idea here. This way I can do the live videos, the live feeds. So basically what it is, I don't know if I can take that off or not. You can't see. Hang on. Here it is. It hooks to my rear view mirror up here, and then my phone fits in this part, and it swivels up and down, left and right. So I can swivel it this way and have the video part of it pointing out to the street. The trouble I had before with this other phone holder, let me show you, is there was no way to adjust it so that the camera on my phone could see over the dash to do a live video feed. So I got this thing. I think I paid $19 for it, and I will put a link for it in the comments. Pretty heavy duty. Let's see if I can. So I just come up from behind somehow. Hard to do one-handed, sorry. Come up from behind and then snap it into place where I want it. That's pretty good. And then these little clippy things right here, you just squeeze them in somehow. There. And it locks it into place so it doesn't wiggle around, and there. And then when it's up, you know, you put your phone in like that. Sorry about all the bouncing. You put your phone in, and this has got like a spring. Let's see. It snaps in. So you put your phone in there, and then I can wiggle it, you know, around. Oh no. I can wiggle it around so that the phone sits like this in here, or I can turn it and I can video sideways. Are you supposed to YouTube video sideways? I don't know. Anyway, that's my new purchase. And here's a picture of the box. Give you a better view of it maybe. Universal car rear view mirror mount. Pretty cool. Look at the back. If I could hold it still, it would really be nice, huh? Oh, that's blurry. I don't know why it's not focusing. But anyway, that's my newest, and I'm really happy with it. It came with, what's this, vent mount thing. You just stick it in the vent and it holds it. And then this hooks into the mount part of it that goes in the vent. And then this other side is, it's got a magnet, so you can just snap your phone onto it, which I didn't expect that to come with the product. But I'm really glad that it did, because I've been kind of not really caring for the setup I've got in here. Anyway, like I said, I'll put the link to the website that I got it on Amazon, and that's it for today. I'm going to move on to another project. See you in the next video. Bye.